Hi lovelies, I've been doing a lot of driving around recently and I thought I'd do a very quick video to show you, if you're in Rwanda, how do you find out if you've got any speeding tickets or traffic fines and how do you pay those, and the same for parking fines. So let's get into it. So first up, to check traffic fines and speeding tickets, you need to go to fines.police.gov.rw. I'll leave the link for that below. And what you're going to need to know is your number plate of the vehicle that you're checking and the TIN number for that vehicle. And you can find the TIN number at the top of your yellow card. So the yellow card is the vehicle ownership papers. You should have been given those either in paper version or as a digital photograph on your phone when you rented the vehicle. If you don't know it, contact the person who rented you the vehicle and ask to see those, or ask for it as a photograph. So once you've entered your number plate and the TIN number of the vehicle, you just check fines by clicking this button here. Now this is what you're hoping to see, no fines at all. A grand total of nothing to pay. But if you're not so lucky, you will see the fines listed here. So usually a speeding fine is 20,000 francs. And if you find that you have got one or several, then what you're going to do is head over to the Irembo online service, and you can switch to English up here in the top right. Again, I'll leave the link to this site below. Once you're on this page, start scrolling down until you find police, and under police you'll find traffic fines. Click on traffic fines and then apply. Again, you'll need to enter your registration and your TIN number. Then click the checkbox for the fine that you want to pay, or more than one fine if you're paying multiple, and select next. And that will take you through to the Irembo payment page, where you can choose to pay by mobile money or bank transfer if you have a Rwandan bank account, or you can pay using your credit or debit card. So that's all pretty straightforward. Now, if you want to check for parking fines, you need to grab your phone. So to check parking fines, you need to open up your phone, and on the keypad you need to dial *799# and then the call button. And then you choose which language, and then you give your registration number and send. And thankfully, again, I've got no charges, but if you do find them, then it will usually allow you to pay by mobile money. Unfortunately, I can't show you because I don't have any charges. If you don't have mobile money, contact the person that you rented the vehicle from, and you can probably offer to pay them back if they pay the parking fine. Okay guys, so that was a super quick introduction to how to check for speeding tickets and traffic fines and parking tickets. A lot of stuff here relies on mobile money. I've done a separate video about that. It was a long time ago, so it's a bit of a rustic vibe, rustic aesthetic for that video, but it will explain to you how to use mobile money. And I do suggest using Remitly to transfer money from an international bank onto your mobile money account here in Rwanda, and then you can pay your fines as you need to. So I hope that's been useful. Sorry I couldn't show you all the way through the paying system. I couldn't do that because I don't have any fines. I'm usually quite a good driver. Not always, but usually. So I hope that's been helpful. If I've missed anything that you think would help other people, drop it in the comments below. See you in the next one.